How to add email address on your Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add email address on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First then go to your Facebook and now click on those three lines up there to get to this page and click on setting icon, and now all you need to do is choose the first option, which is personal and account information, and click on the second option, which is contact info, to manage your phone number and email address. Now click on the second, which is add email address, and here you can add an additional email address. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.